guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So happy December 1st, everyone. I decided that I was kind of gonna do a version of Vlogmas. I'm not gonna vlog every single day because that would just be a lot, and obviously I have school and stuff, so I'm not gonna show me doing the same thing every single day. So instead, I thought I'd do like little weekly vlogs. So yeah, here we are on December 1st. It's Saturday, and I actually had such a crazy day. I'm in this like all-girls choir thing, and we had our holiday concert today. We have another one tomorrow, but like this past week was so stressful with like a bunch of really long like 4-hour rehearsals, and then this morning we had a 4-hour rehearsal and then our concert, and so it was just a lot. And I just got home and I'm about to go out with my friends. I don't know how much I'll vlog today, since the day's pretty much over. Yeah, I wanted to make this intro, and I'm really excited about Vlogmas and Christmas and everything exciting coming up. Okay guys, so today is Sunday, December 2nd, and today it's just gonna be a really like productive, getting stuff done kind of day because I have so much homework. Like, I don't think I've ever had more homework, and it's because I didn't really like do much of my homework last week. So I just have a lot to catch up on. I woke up like almost an hour ago, and I'm about to make myself a smoothie for breakfast. And I'm working on my English essay right now, and then I'm going to clean my room. So yeah, and like I said yesterday, I have another concert today I have to be there at 1. So I'm just trying to get as much done as possible before then. This has been one of my favorite smoothies to make recently. It's like banana, chocolate, peanut butter. So I just do like a frozen banana, and then unsweetened almond milk, chia, peanut butter. This is from Trader Joe's, and the only ingredients are peanuts and salt, so it's really just natural. And then we've got unsweetened cocoa powder, and then I decided to put Greek yogurt in it today. I've never done that though, so hopefully it doesn't taste bad. I decided to not put the Greek yogurt in because I didn't want it to taste bad, but it's really good. So now I'm going to clean my room, and oh my gosh, I just can't even like look at it anymore. It's just a disaster. And this might not be that bad for some people, but for me, like, I never let my room get this messy. So it's finally time. And I'm also going to watch Hannah Moloshe's Vlogmas Day 1 while I do this. So sorry about the terrible lighting, but it's nighttime and it's dark outside. Today has just been such a stressful and not fun day, but it's okay. It's over now, and the concert that I had today, I don't have another rehearsal for that like singing group choir thing for like a whole month, and it's just such a relief. So I'm really glad to be done with that, but I didn't get as much homework done as I thought I would this morning, so I'm not going to go to my youth group, unfortunately. It makes me really sad, but I just don't have time. But yeah, I just have to get all my homework done, and I want to start this week off on a good note, so yeah. Also, my dad is playing Christmas music downstairs, which is really exciting, and we're starting to put up the tree, so I'm just so excited. I love Christmas. I probably won't vlog much more today because I just want to focus. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Monday, and I just drove to the mall, so I'm in my car now. Well, it's not my car. So I'm in the car right now. First car vlog ever. It's still kind of surreal to me that I can drive, like, just really weird. But basically, I lost the book that we're reading for English, and I'm so behind on reading, so I just had to get another copy of it. So I went to Barnes & Noble, and I'm gonna drive home. Also, my Doc Martens came today, which I'm so excited about, so I'll do a little unboxing when I get home. Okay, I look really bad right now, but I'm going to open my Doc Martens. I am so excited. Also, last time I talked to you, I was in the car. I got super lost on my way home. I don't even know how that happened because, like, I go to that mall all the time. But, like, I just decided to go a different way than I came for some reason, and then I missed the turn and ended up in a neighborhood that I'd never been in, and then I tried to turn around, and I missed, I don't even know. It was just complicated and stressful, but yeah. And I also had a really bad headache, but it's going away now, so that's good. And I've gotten some of my homework done. But anyways, let's open these puppies up. Why is this so difficult to open? Alright. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm a little confused because these don't really look like the patent ones. I thought they were like shinier than this. I'm kind of confused. They aren't. Oh my. On the package it says patent, but on the actual like shoebox in this tag it says like the normal smooth version. That's really disappointing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to return these. I still like them, but I'd rather have the ones that I like really want. And yeah, I ordered these from Dolls Kill. I think I'm gonna order my new pair from like Zappos or somewhere that I know is like reliable and will come really fast because I just don't want to wait anymore. I have a really cute outfit planned. But yeah, I'm basically just trying to do as much homework as possible because tomorrow I have a busy day. I have 2 choir concerts tomorrow night for school, and then we have like a dress rehearsal during the day, so I'm gonna miss like half of my classes, which is unfortunate. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday the 5th, I think, and I had such a good day today. I'm really mad that I didn't vlog it, but at the same time I was just kind of like, I was enjoying myself, and I just kind of forgot, honestly. But it was a half day at school today, so afterwards I went with a few of my friends out for brunch, and it was super good. I got this like breakfast like wrap thing, and then we went to Starbucks, and then we went to Goodwill, and I found some really good stuff. So I thought I would do a little bit of a haul, and that will probably be it for this first Vlogmas vlog. I know it wasn't like super interesting or anything. Hi, buddy! So first I got this massive like red Sherpa quarter zip. It was in the men's section, and it's an extra large, I think. Or actually it's just a large. It was $7.99, and it's just like huge and fuzzy, and I love anything like this. Like, I just love fluffy things, so. And then I got these shoes that I'm so excited about. They're these really cute pink Converse, and they're the kind that just have the little star right there. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing this style of Converse recently, and like, they're pink and they're cute, and they were $7, and they're my size, so yeah. And then I just got a bunch of random CDs because they're only 99 cents, and I thought these would be fun to listen to in the car. So we've got the Spice Girls, we've got the Footloose soundtrack, and the Annie soundtrack. Alright guys, so that is it for my first Vlogmas vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!